Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick review of Guru.com. You see, Guru.com is an online freelance marketplace that connects businesses with freelance professionals across various industries. It was launched in 1998. It's one of the older platforms in the freelancing space actually. The key features are it allows employees to post jobs and review freelance profiles, portfolios, and feedback. Freelancers can also create profiles and submit quotas for jobs. It offers collaboration tools like workrooms for managing projects. It provides a safe pay system to ensure secure payments, holding funds in escrow until work is approved. It supports various payment terms such as fixed price, hourly, tax-based, or recurring payment plans. So it provides a solid platform for both hiring and finding freelance work with a wide range of categories and a large user base. Its longevity in the market suggests a level of reliability. And the safe pay system adds a layer of security for transactions. However, some user reviews indicate mixed experiences with occasional issues regarding customer support and the arbitration process. Freelancers also need to consider membership costs and platform fees. Overall, it's a viable option for freelancing, particularly for those seeking an established platform with flexible payment options. So write the skill you're looking for, post a job, and it is free. Find and hire expert freelancers work with the best freelance talent from around the world on their secure, flexible, and cost-effective platform. That is their claim. So when we forgive it, try today and see if it's really as good as they say.